Students, today we are going to start another one question, and that is in next example of different types of question. So our example is example number 3. Example number 3. So in this example, in any triangle, prove that we can write it here. Suppose b plus c times cos a plus c plus a times cos b plus c cos a, c plus a cos b. Then we can write a plus b times cos c is equals to, we can write RHS a plus b plus c. Now let's solve this question by using projection law in this example. In the first example, we use sine law or cosine law. On second example, we use either sine or cosine. So we've already finished sine and cosine. Now we are going to use projection law in this question. Solution. So we have here this is taking LHS or LS. So we have here b plus c times cos a plus c plus a times cos b plus a plus b times cos c. So we have this is equals to, let's open this b plus c by cos a. So b cos a plus c cos a. Similarly, c cos b plus a cos b. Similarly, a cos c plus b cos c. So we have here this is equals to, we can write it here. Suppose b cos c plus c cos b. If we'll put this one, then we can use projection law. So we have here b cos c, this one is finished, and then c cos b, this one is also finished. We can put it one bracket. Similarly, plus we can write it here. Here is c, somewhere c cos a, and then plus c cos a plus a cos c, c cos c. And then remaining one is, here is b cos a, and then here is a cos b. So plus we can write a cos b plus b cos a. Now we know projection law. According to the projection law, we know a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. This is called projection law. Similarly, we have another one also. So according to this one, we can write, instead of b cos c plus c cos a is a plus, and then c cos a plus a cos c is, we can c cos a plus, here is bc and then cb, so here is a. So here is ca and then ac, so here is b by using projection law, because we know b is equals to c cos a plus a cos c. We have here next one, and then again a cos b, ab and bc is, c is equal to, we have c is equal to a cos b plus b cos a. So using this one, here is c. So we have to prove it here, a plus b plus c. So this one is RHS, right hand side. Therefore, left side or left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So you can solve such type of question by using projection. Students, now we are going to start another one question, and then that is in the next example of next type of question. So example 4. Example 4. in any triangle, prove that sine, suppose sine A plus B by sine A minus B, sine A plus B by sine A minus B is equals to, we can write C square by A square minus B square. Now solution of this question, we have here solution. We have sine A plus B by sine A minus B. Let's think, how can we obtain the RHS C square by A square minus B square? We have to use here sine law. So let us multiply at first. Sine A plus B by sine A minus B times, here is sine A plus B by sine A minus B, A plus B by sine A plus B, multiplying sine A plus B in numerator as well as denominator. So this is equal to, so we have sine square A plus B by, here is sine A plus B times sine A minus B is, we can write sine square A minus, this is the formula, sine square B. So this is equals to, we know sine A plus B, we know A plus B plus C is equal to, A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then A plus B is equal to pi minus C, then sine A plus B is equals to sine pi minus C, and this one is sine C. So instead of sine A plus B, we can write sine C. So we can write sine square C by sine square A, sine square B, sine square A minus sine square B. And we know by sine law, A by sine A is equals to B by sine B is equals to C by sine C is equal to 2R. We know this. So students, why we are going to use this formula? I think you know we have to find this in terms of small a, b and c in RHS. So we have to change this sign in terms of a, b and c. So here also sine square a, instead of sine square a, we are going to use, we can put it sine square a here, and then 2r will be here. So a by 2r, sine a is equal to, we can write sine a is equal to a by 2r. So instead of sine a, we can use this one. Instead of sine c, we can write sine c is equals to, here sine c goes here and 2r it comes here. So sine c is equal to c by 2r. So sine square c is, we can write c by 2r whole square divided by sine square a is a by 2r whole square minus, this means b by 2r whole square. Now we have here, this is equals to, here is c square by 2r, it means 4r square whole upon, this one is also a square by 4r square minus b square by 4r square. So this is equals to c square by 4r square whole upon a square minus b square by 4r square. So we can write c square by 4r square times 4r square by reversing this one. So a square minus b square, we can cut this r square and then this 4 also. So we have here c square by a square minus b square, which is here in RHS. Therefore we can write left side is equals to right side, hence proved. Students, in this way we prove this example 4. Now we are going to look another one example of different types of question again. Example 5. Example 5, we have here, in any triangle, prove that suppose b minus c by a cos square a by 2. We can use half angle formula. So cos square a by 2 plus c minus a by b. Here is b minus c minus a b, and then here is cos square b by 2 plus b minus c minus a minus b by a b c, and then here cos square c by 2 is equals to 0. Now solution, we are going to use here half angle formula. So let's start from solution. Our left side is b minus c by a times cos square a by 2 plus c minus a by b cos square b by 2. We have to write it at least one time while we write the solution. So cos square c by 2 we have here. Now this is equals to, here is b minus c by a. What is the formula of cos square a by 2? We know this one is root under s times s minus a by bc. Students, you know half angle formula. Half angle formula, that one is cos a by 2 is equals to root under s minus a by bc. Similarly, we can use the other one also. So here is, instead of cos square a, we wrote this one plus cos a is that one, so cos square a is whole square, c minus a by 2, cos square b is again root under, so here if here is a, then s minus a by bc. So if here is b, then s minus b by, here is a c or ca. So s times s minus b by ca whole square plus a minus b by c times root under s minus c by, here is ab. This one is whole square. This and this root cancel, this and this root also cancel, and this root also cancel. Now this is equals to, we have here b minus c times s minus a by, we can write abc plus, here is c minus a times s minus b times s by abc plus, here is also a minus b times s minus c times s by abc. So here is abc in denominator, and then s also in numerator. So we can write s by abc, we can take common. So let us multiply b minus c and s minus a. We have bs minus ab plus or minus also cs plus ca plus cs and cb minus bc, and then minus as or as, and then minus plus ab plus again as and then ac minus bs plus bc. Now here is bs. plus bs. Let's check here. Here is minus bs. This and this cancel, minus ab, and then plus ab. We can cancel minus cs and plus cs plus ca and minus ca or ac, and then minus bc and then plus bc also cancel, minus as and plus as. So in this way, s by abc times 0 is equals to 0 is equal to right side. Therefore left side is equal to right side. Hence proved. In this way we solve this question, and then we use here this half angle formula. Now we are going to look another one example of another type of question again. Example 6. If here is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equals to 2c square times, we can write 2c square times a square plus b square. If a4 plus b4 plus c4 is equals to 2c square times a square plus b square, prove that c is equal to 45 degree or 135 degree. We have to prove this one in this question. So this is also different type of question. Now solution, here the given condition, we have a4 plus b4 plus c4 is equals to 2c square times a square plus b square. Let us start from here. So we can write, or here is c square, so we can write c4 minus 2c square times a square plus b square. This is here, plus became minus, plus let's write a4 plus b4 is equals to 0, or here is c square also whole square minus 2 times c square, this one is a square plus b square plus, let us use the formula. Suppose this is a square whole square and this one is also b square whole square. You know a square plus b square formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. You know a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here is, this is equals to, we have here 0, or we can write it, this is in the form of a square minus 2a and then b plus b square. So the formula of this is a minus b, a and this is in the form of b, a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. So we can write a minus b whole square like this. This is equals to, here is 2a square b square, this is minus and here is plus. So or we can write c square minus a square, c square minus a square plus b square. Also we can write b square, here is whole square. Once this is equals to, this means we can write plus minus root 2 times ab whole square. This means also 2a square and b square. Or we can write it here, we need a square plus b square minus c square. हेर्नुस् है, हामीलाई यहाँ के चाहिएको छ भन्दा a square plus b square minus c square भयो भने हामी फर्मुलाको रूपमा जान सक्छौं। त्यसकारणले अब यसलाई अगाडि राखौं, यसलाई पछाडि राखौं। If we'll take minus common, then minus square is also plus. So we can easily write a square plus b square minus c square whole square. This means also this one. This is equals to plus minus root under 2 times AB whole square. Now taking square root, or we can cancel this square. So we have here A square plus B square and then minus C square by, we can divide it by 2AB. A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB, suppose. Why did we divide here, students? Because we have formula A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB is, we can use formula here. This is equals to, we have to divide here also, root 2AB by 2AB. So we can cancel B, we can cancel A. And the formula of this one is cos C. This is cosine law. So we can write cos C from here. We can write, or cos C is equals to, here is plus minus root 2 by 2. 2 is also, we can write root 2 times root 2. So one root 2 and another root 2 cancel, or cos C is equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. So, or cos C is equals to, this means 1 by root 2 is cos 45 degree in plus, and then or in minus cos 135, or we can write 180 degree minus 45 degree, or cos C is equal to cos 45 degree or cos 135 degree. Therefore C is equals to 45 degree or 135 degree. Here this one is to prove, so we prove this one, hence we can write, hence proved. In this way we solve this question. This is also little different type of question we solved. Students, now we are going to solve another one question in example 7. That is also different type of question. So example 7 we have here, example 7, if sin A is to sin C is equals to sin A minus B is to sin B minus C, then prove that A square, B square, C square are in AP. A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression. AP means arithmetic progression. Now solution. We have here the given condition. We have sin A upon sin C is equals to sin A minus B upon sin B minus C. Now by cross multiplication we can write sin C times sin A minus B is equals to, by cross, sin A times sin B minus C, or we can write, instead of sin C we can write sin 180 degree minus A minus plus B. We can write like this. Because A plus B is 180 minus A plus B is sin, this one is C. Students, either you know or not, we know A plus B plus C is equals to pi. So C is equal to pi or 180 degree, we can write minus A plus B. So we are using the same here. Times sin A minus B is equals to, here also we can use the same, This means sine 180 degree minus b plus c times sine b minus c. Or we can write, this means sine a plus b times sine a minus b is equals to, this means also sine b plus c times sine b minus c, because sine 180 minus a is sine a. Sine a is positive in second quadrant, it lies on the second quadrant. Or we can write here sine a plus b times sine a minus b is, we know, sine square a minus sine square b. This is equal to, this means sine square b minus sine square c. Now we can use the formula. We know by using sine law, a by sine a is equals to 2r. So sine a is 2, sine a is equal to a by 2r. So we can use here sine square a means a by 2r whole square minus, similarly sine b is a by b by 2r. So b by 2r whole square is equals to, here also b by 2r whole square minus c by 2r also whole square. Now by opening the square, a square by 4r square minus b square by 4r square is equals to b square by 4r square minus c square by 4r square. Taking 4r square LCM, so a square minus b square by 4r square, or this is equal to b square minus c square by 4r square. So 4r square and 4r square we can cancel. Now we are going to solve here, or remaining is a square minus b square is equal to b square minus c square. We have to prove a square, b square, c square are in AP. So we can show it b square minus a square, or we can take a minus common. So b square minus a square is equals to, here also taking minus common, c square minus b square. Or we can write b square minus we can cancel, b square minus a square is equal to c square minus b square. It shows here, it shows this a square, b square, c square are in AP, because if a square, b square and c square are in AP, then we can write the common difference d is equal to the second term minus first term, that one is b square minus a square, and then again common difference d is third term minus second term, that one is c square minus b square, but d are same, so we can write b square minus a square is equal to c square minus b square. I think we are here the same, b square minus a square is equal to c square minus b square. So we can say that therefore a square, b square, c square are in AP, because common difference is here equal. So hence proved. In this way we finish this exercise. Also in this chapter we discuss about the 7 example of 7 different types of question. Students, today we are going to start another one topics, that one is solution of triangle. Now in these topics we discuss about the triangle, sides and angles of triangle. Solution of triangle. Solution of triangle. In these topics, we have a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, and you know here 1, 2, and 3 angles, and then 1, 2, and then 3 sides here. May all sides are equal, may 2 sides are only equal, maybe isosceles, maybe equilateral, or maybe scalene triangle, means none of the sides are equal. So we are going to study about this, and we know triangles. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. They are called 6 element of a triangle. So in solving a triangle, the following different cases arise. So the first one is we have 3 angles given, and second one is we have 3 sides given, and third one is 2 angles and 1 side given. 2 angles and 1 side given, and fourth one is we have here 2 angles and 1 sides given. So 2 sides and the inclined angle given, and the inclined angle given, and the fifth one is 2 sides and an angle opposite to one of them given. So in this way we have here 5 cases. Now let us discuss about the first case. Now case 1. In case 1, given all 3 angles. Here in this case all 3 angles are given, so we have no solution, or we can write no unique solution. No unique solution is possible. No unique solution is possible in this case, and the sine rule. The sine rule is A is to B is to C is equals to sine A is to sine B is to sine C gives gives the ratio of the sides, but ratio of the side but not their actual length. So now in case 2, in case 2, given 3 sides, in this case, applying any one formula, the angle A can be determined here. So cos A is equals to, we know B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. This is cosine law. And then cos A by 2 is equals to, we have root under s minus A by BC we have here. Similarly, sin A is equal to, we can write sin A is equals to, we can write 2 by BC times root under s minus A, s minus B, and s minus C, and then other formula also we can write, etc. So this is in case 2. Now case 3. We have here given 2 angles, and a side. So here let A and capital C be given 2 angles, and this is A side, be the given side. Then we can find B is equal to हेर्नुस् त, A र C थाहा छ भने B हामी सजिलैसँग फाइन्ड आउट गर्छौं, 180 minus A plus C, and to find other 2 sides B and C, we use A by sin A, B and C. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. In this way, we look the formula of the case of third. Now case 4. We have here in case 4 given 2 sides, two sides and included angle. Given 2 sides and included angle. We have here let the side BC and the angle AB given, then A can be found from the relation. के होला त हेर्नुस् त, from the relation A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This is the relation. Then B can be determined by A by sin A is equals to B by sin B. यसरी हामी B पनि determine गर्छौं. And then okay, lastly C is equals to, we can do 180 degree minus A plus B. We can find C. Can find C also. Now we have the next case, case 5. Now case 5, we have given two sides and an opposite angle given. Here let B, C and opposite angle B be the given, suppose given parts, then we can find C by, we know B by sin B is equals to C by sin C. So from here C is equals to, we can write C is equal to B sin C by sin B sin C by sin B. Here C is equal to B sin C by sin B. When C finds, then sin C is equals to, we can write C sin B by B. And then again A can find by A is equal to 180 degree minus B plus C. In this way we can solve the triangles, and this is about the 5 different cases of solution of triangle. मैले 5 different केसहरुको हामीले कसरी सल्भ गर्छौं भन्ने मात्रै तपाईहरुलाई देखाएँ. अब हामी यस सम्बन्धी क्वेशनहरु एक्जाम्पलमा हेर्ने छौं. Now in example 1, we have, if two angles of a triangle, if two angles of a triangle are 75 degree and 60 degree, find the ratio of the sides. This is a question. Solution: we have here, we can draw one triangle. Suppose here 75, 60 and then another angle we have to find. Suppose we can write ABC is a triangle, and if A is 75 degree suppose, and then B is 60 degree, then we need to find C. Then this also, and this also we have to find, this also we have to find. This is called the solution of triangle. So here is we have here, if A is equals to if A is equal to 75 degree, B is equal to 60 degree, then C is equals to 180 degree minus A plus B. So this is equals to 180 degree minus 75 degree minus 60 degree by opening minus plus minus. Now this is equals to, the next one is 45 degree. So angle C is, we know angle C is here 45 degree. Now we have to find the ratio of the sides. So using sine law, we have A is to B is to C is equal to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. So A means we have to find the ratio. So this is equals to sine A means 75 degree is to sine B. We know sine B is 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is to sine C is sine 45 degree. And we know sine 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is to sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is to sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Students, this is the standard angle, you know the formula, and this is also a standard angle, but this is not. Then may you have confused how we can write the value of sine 75 is this. So for this one you can try here. Suppose sine 75 degree is equals to, you can write it sine, suppose 30 degree plus 45 degree is 75 degrees. So we can write sine A cos B plus cos A and then sine B. So this is equal to sine 30 is 1 by 2 times cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 times sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So here is 2 root 2, we can take LCM 2 root 2 and then here is 1 plus root 3. So here sine 75 is 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. We wrote here root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is same. Now we have to find the ratio. So here this is 2 root 2, here is 2 and here is root 2. So we have to arrange this denominator same. Then we can cut the denominator and we'll find the answer in the ratio of numerator. So we have here root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is 2. यसलाई पनि हामी 2 root 2 बनाऊ. So here is 2 root 2. To make it 2 root 2 we have to multiply. So root 3 times root 2. Here also times root 2 is 2. Here also root 2 is here. So we have to multiply by 2. So 1 times 2. हेर्नुस् त 2 2 हामीले क्यान्सल गर्यौं भने 1 by root 2 आउँछ. root 2 क्यान्सल गर्यौं भने root 3 by 2 पनि आउँछ. Now here is 2 root 2, here is also 2 root 2, here is also 2 root 2. So denominator we can take out at once in this ratio case. हेर्नुस् त रेशियोमा हामीले यस्तोलाई लिएर कट गरेको भनेर हामी सिधा लेख्न सक्छौं. So we can write this is equal to root 3 plus 1 is 2. This is root 6 is 2. 2 1 times is 2. So this is the ratio, required ratio of the sides. हेर्नुस् त A is to B is to C भनेर ratio of the sides क्वेशनले हामीलाई सोधेको थियो. We can write hence the ratio of the sides. Hence the required ratio of sides is root 3 plus 1 is to root 6 is to 2 is the required answer of this question.